you are experiencing dream, and suddenly there develops an idea, let me cut this dream, get away from it. But if you see any portion of the dream is staying, that little portion of the dream will again become the whole dream. Your only choice is to wake up. Your personality that has been in a very small circle of consciousness, defined by past, present and future, time, space and causation, that little circle in which mind gets so immersed, now you find another dimension, samadhi dimension, which has boundless expansion. So goes on. As long as projection is not withdrawn, show will be there. You may go on requesting to have better show and go on improving on it, but it will never end.